Alright, hi, DJ Diagnostics. Alright, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to prevent your credit card information from being stolen or any data from being stolen from within your Google browser. This is especially important if you have the synced profile on your computer. Even with a paraphrase that protects the data, your information can still be stolen. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top three dots here on the upper right hand corner of the window, and you're then going to go down to Help and About Google Chrome. You're going to look for where it says Chrome is up to date. If your Chrome is up to date, you're completely safe against anything that would be stealing information from your Google Chrome. Now there's two other things that could happen when you open this window. Another instance is that it'll start saying that it's updating, and it'll install the newest version, and then this area will be replaced with a button that says relaunch, and you're just going to click that, and now you have the newest version and you're safe. The third thing that could potentially be up here is this window here. I'll have a picture of it, and it will look like a screenshot like this. It'll say an error has occurred while checking for updates, and it's basically saying that there's something wrong with your Chrome and you can't update it. And typically what causes this error message is some type of spyware or malware was installed in your computer in the past, and it had corrupted your Google Chrome, and there it keeps Google Chrome in this place where it can't be protected. So in order to fix this problem, unfortunately what you have to do is you have to completely delete your Google Chrome, and then you have to reinstall it. Now before you delete it, I highly advise that you make sure that you have another browser installed on your computer, because then you will not be able to get the new Google Chrome because you'd have to install it from another browser. So with Windows 11, 9 times out of 10 you're going to have Edge on your computer, and you would just go and re-download Chrome from there. But before you do that, you want to make sure you uninstall Google Chrome. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to right click the Windows icon, and then we're going to go to Installed Applications, and then it should be in alphabetical order, and then you're just going to scroll down to Google Chrome, and then you're just going to click Uninstall. Once it's completely uninstalled, you can go back on the internet and re-download a new version and install it, and you should be good to go. Thank you.